Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the best features in Signal app and also discuss about why Signal app is better than WhatsApp. So let's get started. If you enable disappearing messages in WhatsApp, you can only able to disappear message after 7 days you send, but in Sender app, you can set the different duration that you want. We all have one contact or private group to save some personal messages, but you no need to worry about in Signal app. Just search self-note in contact, type and send message to yourself. If you want a high typing indicator, just go to setting, open privacy, turn off the typing indicators. Now, no one can see the indicator while you typing. In privacy settings, there are lots of privacy options like WhatsApp, read receipt, which is no one able to know whether you read their message or not. And always relay calls, which is encrypt your Signal calls over your internet data. Generate link previews, which is able to prevent preview option while you send website links. If you turn off, again the link will be previewed while you send. The incognito keyboard mode, which allows you to use your keyboard without actually saving any of your keystrokes or words used. Screen security is one of the best privacy option. If you turn on, then you can't screen record or take screenshot on the Signal app, like banking application. You can also change the chat color. You can also send SMS directly from Signal app by long press the send icon and tap and secure SMS. Now they receive your message from default SMS app. In camera, the Signal app have the feature to blur the part that you want in your photos, and you can also add stickers, draw lines. Like Instagram, you can react to the messages with custom images. Like WhatsApp, you can delete the message for everyone. While WhatsApp encrypts messages and calls, and that's enough for most users, Signal goes one step further and encrypts the metadata too. In order to protect user privacy from all corners, Signal devised a new way to communicate between the sender and the recipient, and it's called sealed sender. Both are safe, but the Signal app's privacy is little more protected. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.